In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix graphics in Goat Simulator 3 Mobile and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the first time that you start Goat Simulator 3, the graphics will be adjusted automatically. So, a lot of people have reported that when they get in game, the graphics look super bad, everything will be blurry and or pixelated, and it doesn't feel good to play. So, a lot of players are confused. Why does this happen and how do we fix this? So first, if you back out of the game and you go back to the home screen of Goat Simulator 3 Mobile and you access the settings, you will find four main categories: General, Audio, Accessibility, and the credits. Now, as the name suggests, none of these actually refer to graphics. So as it stands today, how do we change the graphics on Goat Simulator 3 Mobile? Do we have to do it inside of the game? Do we have to back out? Do we have to get a certain version of the game? Or is it completely impossible? Well, sadly, as weird as this may seem, when the developers ported Goat Simulator 3 over to mobile, they didn't give users the option to change the graphics settings. So basically, the graphics will be assigned automatically based on your device's capabilities. So if you have a low-end or mid-range device, you will be assigned low graphics and there is no way to change this. Sadly, the graphics will be adjusted by default and you will have no power to modify them. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that because of this weird decision, a lot of people will have bad graphics, and since those are assigned automatically, there is nothing that you can do to change them. They will be assigned upon launching a new game, and you will not be able to modify them later. If you have a high-range device, you should get the good graphics, but if you have a low-end or mid-range device with bad CPU or GPU, you will not be able to do this. The purpose of this video, like I mentioned, is not to spread misinformation. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to fix graphics in Goat Simulator 3 Mobile, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.